If you're looking for a way to easily set up and manage online courses, you might have come across Skool. This platform has been gaining traction as a go-to solution for educators, coaches, and content creators. But does it really work for everyone? Let's dive into how to use Skool for online courses and whether it's the right fit for your needs. So first, let's talk about creating your course. To get started on Skool, you'll need to sign up and create a community. Yes, you heard that right. Skool is built around community. When you create a course, you're not just uploading content, you're building a group of engaged learners. It's different from platforms like Teachable or Thinkific, where it's more of a one-way flow of content. On Skool, interaction is key. Next thing you'll need to do is upload your course material. Skool offers a straightforward interface where you can easily upload videos, PDFs, and other resources for your students. Unlike some competitors, which might feel like you're navigating through a maze of settings, Skool keeps it simple. However, simplicity does come with its limitations. For example, if you're looking for a robust quiz or testing system, Skool doesn't provide advanced features like some competitors do. If that's a deal breaker for you, it's something to consider. The third thing you'll want to know is about the community aspect. Skool allows you to build discussion boards, host live sessions, and encourage member engagement. This can make your course feel more interactive and give your students a sense of belonging. However, the platform might not be as polished in some areas, like organizing content or customizing member profiles, which you'll find in platforms like Kajabi. Next, let's talk about pricing. Skool's pricing is more competitive compared to some larger platforms. The fact that it includes your community and course hosting in one package makes it an attractive option for creators on a budget. But while it's cost-effective, the lack of customization might feel limiting for those who want a more professional, branded experience. This is where platforms like Thinkific and Podia might have the edge, offering greater flexibility in design and functionality. Next, the user experience. Skool's clean and simple design makes navigation a breeze, but it might be too basic for users who are used to more complex interfaces. The platform doesn't offer the extensive integrations or marketing tools that some competitors do, such as automated email sequences or affiliate marketing options. So if you need something more all-encompassing, platforms like Kajabi or Kartra would likely serve you better in the long run. Finally, let's talk about alternatives. While Skool is great for building communities and offering a basic course, it's not the end-all be-all. Platforms like Teachable and Thinkific give you more room to grow with better course creation tools, advanced analytics, and more customization. These might be better options if your goal is to scale, or if you need a more polished user experience. So, what's the deal? Skool is a great option for those who want to build a simple, community-driven course, but it's not the best for everyone. If you're looking for something with more features and customization, you might want to check out alternatives. In fact, we have an exclusive extended free trial for Skool, but we also recommend other platforms that could be a better fit for your goals, and they come with their own free trials. Click the link in the description for the best deal on Skool and explore other top alternatives. You'll get access to exclusive offers only available to our viewers.